superstars' dreams come true today as they reach the grandest stage our industry has to offer.
Welcome to the pinnacle of sports entertainment. Welcome to WrestleMania. This is one of the most anticipated WrestleManias in WWE history. Don't move. We have a great match coming up next. We have one of the best talents on the roster today.
This is going to be amazing.
Welcome to WrestleMania. This is one of the most anticipated WrestleManias in
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Donald. And from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, Hulk Hogan.
What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking.
The Brahma Bull is here!
And his opponent, accompanied by Man. And from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275
One of the
pounds,
all-time greats! The Brahma Bull, the People's Champ, the most electrifying man in entertainment. The Rock is here, and this place is rocking.
A man who has spearheaded one of the most memorable eras of WWE, taken over Hollywood, and served as a prototype for what it is to be a superstar.
It's okay, Byron. You're not the only one in awe of The Rock's presence.
The People's Champion, the most electrifying man in entertainment is here. Listen to this place. They're going. Now look at this. Oh, the referee needs to get control of this.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
You know, guys, no matter how huge of a global star The Rock becomes, he'll always have a home in WWE where his origins began.
There will never be another like the great one. At least he's always welcome at home where Byron still lives at home.
Oh, what impact.
clothesline.
He's in a bad spot, guys.
I wouldn't be surprised if he hightails it through the crowd. You should go with him, Byron.
Impactful slam. The Rock may be in a bad way here. Looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment, and it cost him.
And he's been gambling quite a bit here tonight. There's plenty of reward that goes along with being outside the ring as much as he has been, but there's a ton of potential risk.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words. Rock just barely got out of the way.
So quick.
On the shoulders here.
It could be a long way down from there.
What a stomp.
Good grief. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
The Rock is in serious peril. Is there anything that can be done to get back to being a threat? He'll need to find a way to turn things around here.
The amount of punishment he's absorbed in this match is absolutely insane. A lesser man would have given up and walked away by now.
Yeah, I'm sure he saw things going differently for him here tonight, but that clearly isn't the case, unfortunately for him. Oh, man, did you see the impact?
He's going for the pin. He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
Not even close.
When this guy's on, look out.
Down with a power bomb.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
What a clothesline! Ouch! Oh, what impact! And it's The Rock with the reversal.
Down he goes.
Rock setting it up.
Oh, nasty impact. Got every ounce of that one.
Wow, kicking butt and taking names.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He's not going to go quietly. No superstar worth his salt ever does. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Scoop slam.
Here's his moment, Michael. Oh, man, The Rock really needs to dig down deep.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Short arm clothesline.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. One! He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
It's going to take more than that.
He might have it. Rock bottom, the Rock bottom!
This crowd never doubted The Rock's ability to get back in this thing.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Yeah, I don't believe that he didn't win this match right there.
Wow.
Will it be?
I think
Didn't have to dig very deep to kick out of that one.
How in the world? Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's too quick for him there. An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
Scoop slam! The Rock's not looking so great here, guys. Going for broke. Oh, man, what a leg drop. The Rock's not looking so great here, guys.
What?
Beautiful technique.
Wait a minute. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good, Byron.
Yeah, this is how people end up getting hurt.
Not the
Harsh impact. You gotta believe this one's over.
He's looking at it.
Leg drop. That should do it.
He goes for the cover. 2, 3. The pinfall and the victory. Let's look back on the action from the last match.
Some pretty good give and take in this match, as these highlights show. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, Hulk Hogan.
Look out, guys.
Come on, there's no need for this.
He goes down hard.
Yeah, and he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Oh, clothesline. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Scoop slam! To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. This time, it might end the match.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Now it's time to capitalize.
Introducing first, at a combined weight of 500
for a huge six-man tag team match.
And I can't think of any competitor I'd rather see go at it right now than these 6 superstars. This one's going to be great.
The Ultimate Warrior!
Someone get this lunatic under control.
Yeah, why don't you go try?
It's nuts in here. Listen to this place.
The blood pumping and flowing through the veins of all the little warriors in the WWE Universe.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of World Class back in the 1980s.
And their partner from Death Valley, weighing in at 303 pounds, Paul Bearer.
We're just moments away from what will likely be one of the most exciting 6-man tag team matches we've seen in a very long time.
Well, given the 2 teams we have assembled here tonight, I would say I have no choice but to agree with you, Cole.
The Ultimate Warriors led some legendary teams into battle. The trio, the Ultimate Ones assembled for tonight's match, looks hungry for victory.
Don't look now, but this has all the makings of those 6-man classics we used to see back in World Class.
Between his sprint to the ring and shaking of the ropes, I'm surprised the Ultimate Warrior is still going at top speed.
It's all about the Warriors in the crowd tonight, providing an unending supply of support for the Ultimate Warrior in the ring.
What a strike. Stump puller leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Boom, what impact. Backbreaker. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
To the gut.
Oh, what a forearm!
That was dirty.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Lightning fast reflexes. disgusting way to treat a WWE official. This match is tossed out. These two superstars are set to lock up for their respective teams as this six-man tag gets underway. 6 superstars, 2 teams, let's face facts. We can see anything happen here.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
What a stomp. Good grief. Beautiful technique. Lariat. Oh, debilitating elbow drop. Double axe handle smash. Oh, what a boot. Oh, my goodness. Crushing it.
DDT.
Landed. All the way out. Suplex.
He's not looking like himself here. And you know all 3 of the superstars he's up against won't back down at any point during this match.
Kane wants to put this away. Oh, huge big boot. You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp. Good grief. Nailed it. Punch right to the face. Boom. Oh, right to the skull.
He wants no part of the outside.
What a boot. Wow, what impact. Just a step quicker, it looks like. No, another reversal.
Neither one of them are willing to give an inch here.
Undertaker looking mortal here.
6-man tag team matches have been a staple of competition since the early days of sports entertainment. 2 teams of 3 compete against one another under traditional tag team rules. Stipulations can be added.
Look at Kane. It's coming.
Well, that'll hinder your modeling career. Belly to belly. Oh, and he breaks free.
But the damage might have already been done, Michael.
What a strike. Harsh impact. What a forearm. 6-man tags can be fought under so many different types of stipulations. Teams can be part of a faction. The 3 superstars have aligned things of a common interest. The most crucial aspect to a 6-man tag team being successful is that trio's ability to act as one cohesive unit. 3 individuals working collectively at all times.
So much can take place during a 6-man tag match. Regardless of what type of match the teams of 3 are competing in, the members of that team must be on the same page. Oftentimes, the teams who have the best continuity are the most successful.
Going all the way up. Oh boy, he was rolling. Big time impact from way up high. Oh man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Talk about dismantling your opponent. Oh, that hurt to the spine. Picking the spot. Oh, that'll mess up your neck. Man.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Axe handle finds its target. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Clothesline. Oh, what a DDT. Wow. Can he end it here? Oh, what a snapmare. Oh, perfectly executed. Oh, continuing to punish them. Elbow drop. Piercing.
This is what makes it
Nasty impact.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
Oh, he's fighting back here. I expected nothing less, Cole.
He's a spinning
Oh, he's got him covered. Oh, right to the side of the face. What a stomp. Good grief. Incredible drop. Ooh. What a strike.
Man, I think we're seeing the end for Randy Savage. He may very well have reached the point of no return here in this 6-man tag team match.
Jaw-shattering boot.
Kane is just messing with his opponent now.
Here we go. Oh, that hurt right to the kidney. Golly. Too quick for him there. Big time atomic drop.
That'll have you walking funny.
Oh, right to the face. Destroyed.
Somebody unleashed the Savage.
What a slam. Impactful. Will jar your spine.
Undertaker is just getting a stuffing pounded out of him. He may very well be running on instinct right now.
It's time for the Undertaker to rise. Just one more time.
Ooh, what impact.
What a scary drop.
Scoop slam. Choke slam straight to hell.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
That kick will stop you in your tracks.
Let's hope, for his sake, that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall order.
Oof. Oh, man, right to the neck.
Whoa, The Undertaker dodged that one.
Over the years, we've come to expect these bursts of greatness from him.
DDT! Slam with authority.
And he forces the break.
Great job by him there, realizing where he was in proximity to the ropes.
Randy Savage with a nice reversal. He's making a statement here with this attack. Crashing down the hard way. With a point of the elbow right in the nose.
Jeez.
I'll tell you what, this is one they'll be talking about tomorrow at work or school, that's for sure. Ooh!
Set it up. This might be it. Oh, my.
Oh, I don't know if their opponent expected that. Here he goes. Here comes The Undertaker with a flying clothesline.
Well, there's only one thing left to say, guys. Rest in peace.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle. Incoming. Good golly, what a knee. When this guy's on, look out. Lariat.
Rest in peace. Well, there's only one thing left to say, guys.
And will this be it?
Yes. Oh, nasty impact.
Yeah, when he's going like this, no telling how long he'll keep it up.
He has him right where he wants him.
Shoulder tackle.
He wants it one more time. Big slam.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Your whole body hurts after a move like that.
Oh, knee tombstone.
Good night.
We may be looking at
His shoulders are down. Beautiful technique. And he got a near fall out of it.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Oh, what a slam that hurt. Boom. Ooh, what impact. Ooh-wee. What a strike. And there's the reversal from Randy Savage. Oklahoma slam. Oh, what a clothesline.
forcefully delivered.
Neckbreaker. What a clothesline. Ouch. Gonna be agonizing for the arm.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Looking to lock it in here. Looking to lock it in here. The military press slam. You gotta believe this one's over. Vicious strike. We know what this means. Oh, man, DDT.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Avalanche arm drag. Oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Oh, what an uppercut. Across the shoulders. Thunderous slam.
Can he finish him off here? You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
A kick out, and he almost had him.
It's going to take more than that.
The fist has been...
He's looking at it.
He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
Look out, he breaks free.
Great job by him there, but he's still in a tough spot, Cole.
Harsh impact. The devil's favorite demon with the devil's favorite sidewalk slam.
But can he follow up here?
Oh, man! Ouch. Oh, man. He's got the shoulders down. 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
With all the damage done, you have to wonder how much more it'll take.
Randy Savage. Choke slam straight to hell.
Warrior might need a minor miracle to get back into this.
Will be ended here. Neckbreaker. Boom, what impact. Nail it. Look out, down he goes.
And he might not get back up.
Down to the floor. An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody's budging, Cole.
Clothesline.
game changer.
Big boot.
We got to cover. 1, 2. I don't know too many other guys that would have been able to kick out of that.
Not yet.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Back elbow.
Jeez, you see that?
Undertaker should get his head into the match instead of trying to get in other people's heads.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Huge toss.
And the slam. This is what makes him so dangerous. Toss to the outside. He wants to do this in the ring.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Tossed around like a rag doll.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
What a strike. Oh, clothesline.
Setting up for it. Just a debilitating neck breaker.
He's lining him up.
Draped on the apron.
I think Randy Savage is done playing. Randy Savage.
Axe handle finds the mark.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Oh, incredible height. What a strike. Oh, what impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Lariat.
Headbutt to the back of the neck. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
When this guy's on, look out. Oh, right to the body. That hurt. He's going for it all.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Inverted DDT. Spiked. On, he dodges out of the way. He's in control. What a strike. Oh, look at it. Now that'll do some serious damage. Uh-oh. Setting him up. Oof. Neckbreaker. Keep your eye on this one. What's open?
Oh, nasty impact.
Wow, we might just
Feel the power of the Ultimate Warrior.
Wow, we might just be witnessing the end of The Undertaker.
What? Oh, he kicked out. Unbelievable.
He's still in this.
Clean elbow from the Macho Man. This one,
He goes for the cover. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Nailed it.
The Undertaker looking to bury another victim.
You gotta believe this one's over. What a clothesline.
Ouch. Rough landing.
Whoa, the Undertaker dodged. Look at the height from the Phenom.
That has got to be it.
Yeah, that truly was a thing of beauty. What a strike.
Nice neck breaker.
Beautiful technique. Oh, my goodness. This hurts. Oh! Hopped up. No way.
Yes way.
What power. Rest in peace.
Well, there's only one thing left to say, guys.
He's got the shoulders down. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Yeah, when he's going like this, no telling how long he'll keep it up.
Man, Ultimate Warrior plays the game as good as anybody.
No! Face first, snake eyes! Boom! Right to the back of the neck. Oh, what impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Nice neck breaker.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Harsh impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
That's what you call a bad landing. Oh, my goodness. Crush.
That might have done it, Cole.
Randy Savage is looking to fly. Great officiating as the ref noticed he was on the ropes.
Cross the shoulders. Up, down. Samoan driver.
But he's running on fumes here.
The shoulders are down.
Boom, what impact.
What a six-man tag match. These guys feel no love for each other. Here's another look.
I'm not easily impressed, but even I thought that match was one of the best I've seen in a while.
Man, oh man, look at that.
Here are your winners, The Undertaker, Kane, and Paul Bearer.
And the first match of the night comes to an end in thrilling fashion.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will someday, very soon, be competing in the main event.
Plenty more action still to come here tonight, folks.
Making his way to the ring from parts unknown, weighing in at 280 pounds, Wonderful Wildcat.
It's time for our first match of the night, guys, and it looks like we have quite the contest coming up.
And good luck to those who have to follow this one. You're going to need it.
It could be that time.
And his opponent, first, from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 456 pounds, Vader!
That is a scary human being.
It's like he's possessed.
Yeah, but what's more terrifying is the agility that this big man possesses.
From Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, Hulk Hogan.
Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
The showstopper, Mr. WrestleMania. Shawn Michaels has earned every single moniker bestowed upon him in his career. You are looking at one of the greatest of all time. The showstopper, Mr. WrestleMania. Shawn Michaels has earned every single moniker bestowed upon him in his career.
With these four superstars battling in the ring all at once, we're in for a classic.
Mark my words, Cole. These four superstars are about to embark on the fight of their lives.
Oh, clothesline! There he goes, crashing to the floor. Back between the ropes. Up and down. Dropped from above. Incoming! Set him up. Vicious strike. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Tear the features clean off your face. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. He's got not one, but three guys looking to destroy him here tonight.
A crucial point in the match here, guys. He's got a target on his back now, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a 3-on-1 attack here.
You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, shoulder breaker. Ooh. He knows he's in trouble.
Better stay right where he is. Of course, Extreme Rules matches have resulted in some gruesome moments over the years, and perhaps none was more gruesome than in 2012 when Brock Lesnar busted John Cena open following a vicious attack.
Harsh impact. Big elbow.
And then...
Oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex. As Byron mentioned, Lesnar's attack on Cena in 2012 was without question gruesome. And furthermore, I don't think I've ever seen John Cena manhandled like he was on that night.
Yeah, Lesnar definitely brought it to Cena that night. But what's truly amazing is that John Cena eventually found a way to win that match.
Looking at it here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a stomp.
Oh, nasty impact. What's he gonna do now?
Ooh, what impact. Clothesline. Oh, and the reversal by Vader. Scoop slam. Vader, I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Oof. Fatigue setting in on Vader. And at this point, you have to wonder if he can recover from this.
In a back-and-forth match like this, he has to do everything in his power not to let his opponent gain too much momentum here.
He's on his heels. He came into this match looking for a fight. and it looks like he found one.
I don't like his chances at all, Cole. He's getting absolutely pummeled in there.
It's make or break time here, and he absolutely has to find a way to get back on the offensive if he wants to win this match.
Boom, right to the jaw.
Oh, you can pick up your team in section 112.
What a strike. Quick thinking to avoid that one.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Here he goes. Irish whip. No, there's the reversal.
Beautiful technique. Oh, no.
Vader having his way in this matchup.
Uh-oh. It could be that time.
This could be fatal. Vader bomb. This just might be enough for him to take the victory here. There's nothing left to prove here. Just finish it.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Cobra clutch.
Got it cinched in.
Fading fast.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep. And it's Michael showing some agility.
Oh, he's such a tough target. There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
Nailed it. Up and incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Oh, nasty. His shoulders are down. There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
Boom! There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Looking to lock it in here. Looking to lock it in here.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He could pin his opponent right here. Incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Nailed it. Beautiful technique. He's looking a little off balance. You can't help but wonder if he can turn things around here in this four-way match.
Nothing good happens outside.
He's got him covered. Bringing it back between the ropes. 2! And he's able to get out.
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole. His opponent included.
What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, and the ref gets absolutely floored.
Yeah, but let's be honest, a light breeze would knock him over.
Bam! What a slam. And he's heading back. There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
You gotta believe this one's over. Harsh impact. Here we go. Shawn Michaels is in position.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
And he's a guy.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over until it's over.
Boom, what impact. Ooh, what impact. Incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Oof. Nailed it. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Boom, face first.
This is not where Vader wants to be right now.
Flying forearm. Down to the floor. This has been a war. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
And it's Michael showing some agility.
Oh, and he releases the hold. Wow. Oh, did you see that, Byron?
That was unreal.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
Nah, not yet. Too early.
Backdrop suplex. He is getting absolutely leg drop.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
One more look at it. Vicious strike. The end. What a clothesline. Ouch.
This is not what
He's going for. Oh, what a boot to the face.
This is not where Vader wants to be right now.
There's the pinfall and the victory. When this guy's on, look out. Some superstars doing what they do best. Here are the highlights.
Remember this?
This match wasn't exactly a barn burner, but we can't expect every superstar to be on their A game every
Here is
time,
your winner,
I guess.
Hulk Hogan.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory.
And you just know the rest of the card is watching in the back, wondering how in the world they're going to follow that.
Believe it or not, that's just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more great action.
The following contest is the Royal Rumble match. Now, the two superstars that drew number 1 and number 2 will start in the ring at the same time. Other superstars will join in the order that they drew. This will continue until all 30 superstars have entered the ring. Eliminations occur when you are thrown over the top rope with both feet landing on the floor. The last in the ring will be declared the Royal Rumble winner and will advance to the main event of WrestleMania.
One of the all-time greats, WWE Hall of Famer.
And from Cobb County, Georgia, weighing in at 350 pounds, the Big Boss Man.
What a great match we have here to start out this night, guys. And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
That's the Big Boss Man. If he's nervous at all about tonight, he said the only thing he's nervous about is how much pain he's going through.
And from Fairbanks, Alaska, weighing in at 220 pounds, the King of Old School, Jeff Jarrett.
One of the most exciting matches in all of WWE coming up. It's the Royal Rumble match.
And for decades, much of the WWE Universe has looked at this match as one of their favorites of the entire year. And you can count me right in there with them.
And there's the elimination. And this is how you start a Royal Rumble match.
Jeez. And I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
You guys see that distance? Oh, right to the gut.
Let's be honest, this would be extremely tough to go the distance from here.
Look who it is. It's Bret Hart.
Bulldog! Ooh, what a... Here we go, guys. Elimination coming up. Looks to make an elimination here. And gets out of harm's way.
Oh boy, that could have been bad, Michael.
It's the Macho Man. He's here, but what's he gonna do? Atomic drop. Ooh. He's taking some offense. He looks to be a little surprised right now.
Yeah, but of the guys in the ring right now, he's just as capable as any of winning this thing and going on to WrestleMania.
I know it's early, but if things stay the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him.
This might be it. Oh, my.
Here we go. Oh, clothesline.
Here comes Diamond Dallas Page.
A striking blow.
Oh, nasty impact.
Bret Hart's rivalries with the likes of Shawn Michaels, Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Undertaker, and Mr. McMahon inspired generations of future WWE superstars. No one.
We are moments away from the next entrant.
Beautiful technique.
That could have been disastrous, Byron.
No doubt. In fact, I'm a little surprised we didn't see an elimination there. Looks like Papa Shango has decided to get involved here.
Ooh, what impact. Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Boom, what impact.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Harsh impact. So much damage inflicted.
Incredible impact.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. You gotta believe this one's over.
Now it's entry number 7.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
man.
Boom, what impact. Can he get him?
I don't know, Michael. It's not going to be easy.
Uh-oh. Here he comes, fellas.
And he looks determined as ever.
Ooh-wee.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Ooh, what impact. Comes up big with the reversal. Boss man slipping a bit here. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
Give him credit, guys. He's not giving up. And with so much on the line, that's exactly the attitude you have to have in a match like this.
Yeah, he's clearly not on the right side of this match right now, which is a little surprising to me.
What a strike.
Oh, and right next entrance getting ready to come out. Harsh impact. Right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Ooh, oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Lex Luger is here. This is not going to end well.
And that's an elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation point, no less.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Straight punch, nothing fancy.
Gut-wrench suplex.
Making it look easy. What does Randy Savage have to do at this point to stay in the match? This very well may be too much for him to handle.
At this point, I wouldn't be surprised to see him get picked off here soon. He's just not looking very good right now.
Guys, I wasn't anticipating this type of performance from him tonight. He's starting to look a little lost.
Huge elimination right there.
Clothesline! Oh, and he reverses it.
And look at it, back suplex.
Very nice.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, neck breaker.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Bret Hart, lariat.
He's got a count. Oh, he's coming in next. Who is it?
Oh, nasty impact.
Right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Look out. Jim the Anvil Neidhart is headed in.
Beautiful technique.
There's the elimination, Corey.
What took him so long?
Dominating shoulder tackle. Randy Savage just too fast for him.
Look out, a possible elimination coming up.
Nailed it.
And here is number 10.
He has the ability to turn it on in a heartbeat.
And that's elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation point, no less.
Look who's coming now, guys. Oh, clothesline. Oh, God, that hurt. This has got trouble written all over it, guys.
Yeah, this might very well lead to an elimination.
Trying for the elimination here.
This might be it.
Oh, there's the elimination.
Has been eliminated.
Guys, it's almost time for our next competitor.
Nasty drop.
Here he comes, and he's got as good a chance as any to win this thing.
Maybe a better chance, if you ask me.
Boom, what impact! What a throw! What a stomp! Good grief!
Jim Neidhart
That's
has
elimination.
been eliminated.
Oh, alley-oop powerbomb!
That might be it. That's Goldberg.
Oh, double boots. Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
I'll break your crown.
We're about to get another one.
He looks a bit off his game here. I don't think he expected to be in this position here.
The Royal Rumble match will absolutely test your resolve, guys. And that's exactly what we're seeing here with him.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner. I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action. The 2017 Royal Rumble saw more than 52,000 members of the WWE Universe fill the Alamo Dome in San Antonio, Texas. It was one of the most exciting Rumble matches in recent memory.
There's the elimination.
Here we go with The Undertaker.
Tackles ruthless.
Here comes number 14 in the Royal Rumble match.
Oh, vicious body shot. Oh, nasty impact. Oh, kick finds it.
Things are about to heat up here, guys.
I wouldn't want to be in the ring now, that's for sure.
Boom! Fist drop. What a clothesline! Ouch! Oh, what a forearm!
Suplex.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there. Looks like we might get an elimination, guys.
Guys, whoever wins this match tonight will forever be ingrained in one of the most exclusive.
Has been eliminated.
God, when you hear that music, it sends chills through your body. It's Kane. The big red monster Kane is here. My God, no one is safe.
Scoop slam!
Ooh, just dropped.
And Byron, you never want to find yourself in a spot like this.
Especially in a Royal Rumble match, Michael.
Nailed it.
Dodges trouble there.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Harsh impact.
Beautiful technique.
Ooh, what impact. Oh, and he can definitely make a difference here, guys. Without a doubt. Oh, point of the elbow counter here. What a strike. Gets out of the way of that one. Ooh!
This might be it.
Oh, my. What a strike. Well, who's coming out next? Who is it? Could be trouble here, guys.
Oh, no, it's Diesel.
Sling blade!
Nicely done.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Boom! Shoulder tackle.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what a stomp. Good grief.
Nailed it. That's gonna leave a mark.
Whoa, huge big boot.
Oh, what a number 18.
Ooh, what an up.
Look who it is. Razor Ramon. Someone's going to...
Little known fact, guys, the first ever Royal Rumble was broadcast on free television at the very same time that the competition was holding their Bunkhouse Stampede pay-per-view. Coincidence? I think not.
Lariat. What a stomp. Good grief.
Beautiful technique.
Diesel
Think there's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
What a driver. Oh, this could be bad. Jake Roberts is here.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
He's a spinning ball of energy.
Using the elbow as a weapon. What a strike. Ooh, what impact. And no luck against Kane there. Suplex. Oh, what a great escape. Wow, I cannot believe it. There's the elimination, Corey.
What took him so long?
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Harsh impact. Boom, what a right. Oh, man, backbreaker.
Jake Roberts
There's
has
the
been
elimination.
eliminated.
Clothesline. Boom, what impact.
Stomping away.
Razor Ramon starting to fade.
This will be number 20.
I'm pumped. Nice job getting out of trouble there.
Talk about a great escape.
Well, it looks like Psycho Sid is going to get involved with this. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
This might be it. Oh, my. Hits him with a gut-wrench suplex. What impact. Body press.
Oh, nasty impact. The Devil's favorite demon with the Devil's favorite sidewalk slam. A crushing.
Who's going to be 21?
This is getting interesting.
And there's his speed paying off. He may very well have run out of gas. I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him.
Like everybody else, he's probably dreamed of main eventing WrestleMania. Given how he looks right now, though, he might just have to keep dreaming.
He's in big trouble here. I don't think I remember ever seeing him this much off his game.
Here we go with British Bulldog.
Beautiful technique.
Bang!
Oh, nasty.
The
Ooh, what
Undertaker
impact.
has been eliminated.
Get ready! Just breaking down the opponent. Corey, what do you think of his chances here tonight?
I definitely have him on my short list of favorites.
A quick reversal by Razor Ramon. Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form. Of course, it's a long-standing tradition that the winner of the Royal Rumble goes on to main event WrestleMania. But newer...
There's no way, not from here. Guys, it's almost time for our next competitor.
He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind.
Big time slam. Vicious.
Are you kidding me? You gotta believe this one's over. Here he comes, and he's got as good a chance as any to win this thing.
Maybe a better chance, if you ask me.
As Byron mentioned, 1993 marked the Bulldog may sense its time. Clothesline! Can you believe it? Oh, he turns it around. Boom, what impact!
Psycho Sid has been
Number 24 has a good chance of winning this, guys.
I know, that's why 24 is my pick.
What a strike! When this guy's on, look
has
out.
been eliminated.
And here goes Goldust. Look out, a possible elimination coming up. And that's an elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation point, no less.
Looking,
Oh! Can he finish him off here?
what a stomp.
Good grief. The odds are starting to get a lot better to win at this entry stage.
Getting down to the nitty-gritty.
Here we go, guys. Elimination coming up. Oh, you can tell he's got evil intentions on his mind.
In a match like this, you have to, Michael.
Nailed it.
There's the elimination, Corey.
What took him so long?
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Drop kick hits the mark.
Setting up. Really targeting the back on that one. Oh, look at this, folks. Godfather is going to get his hands dirty. Harsh impact. Oh, backing it up.
Oh, good night. Sorry. Oh, that might have just broken something.
Oh, what a clothesline.
forcefully
Leg sweep.
Nicely done.
Byron, look who we have here.
This changes the entire complexion of this match.
What a punch! Boom, what a kick! You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what impact.
Vertical suplex.
Nice.
After a decision by then WWE.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh, clothesline.
Snapmare.
Beautiful rolling neck snap.
Totally perfect.
Now he's got to capitalize. Mr. Perfect just changed the momentum of this match.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
Look at this.
According to sports entertainment historians, the 1992 Royal Rumble will always be considered one of the greatest Rumble matches of all time because of the amazing collection of superstars who competed in that match. Listen to these names. Rowdy Roddy Piper. Randy.
Who's 29 gonna be?
You should know this by now, Byron.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact.
Harsh impact.
What a dive.
Hey, Bigelow is heading his way.
This will damage your back. Going to be woozy after that impact. Oh, nasty impact. Axe handle finds its target.
Ooh, right to the face.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Nailed it.
Clubbing blow to the back.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
He's not in a good spot here, guys. He's simply, and there's a big-time elimination.
Beautiful technique.
That could have been disastrous, Byron.
No doubt. In fact, I'm a little surprised we didn't see an elimination there. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, no, it's Vader. Oh. Tremendous ring presence from the apron.
Deconstructing the knee there. Oh, nasty impact.
He's starting to feel it here. Be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
Hey, if he can't handle a little punishment here and there, maybe he has no business being in the Royal Rumble match.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
What a clothesline.
Ouch. Beautiful technique.
DDT.
And that's elimination right there, guys, with an exclamation point, no less. And gets out of harm's way.
Oh boy, that could have been bad, Michael. Devastating elbow.
Using the elbow as a weapon. Belly to back suplex. What a stomp.
Good grief. When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
Choke slam. Mr. Perfect in a bad way here. He's absolutely running on fumes right now.
He looks right for the picking, guys. You can kiss his chances of main eventing WrestleMania goodbye.
There's the elimination, Corey.
What took him so long?
Scoop slam.
Smart strategy. Attack the knee.
Bigelow with some reason to worry here. He needs to create some space and find a way to get back on the offensive.
The Royal Rumble match will absolutely test your resolve, guys. And that's exactly what we're seeing here with him.
Yeah, but he's still in considerably better overall shape than his opponent right now. I mean, it seems to me like he still has plenty of fight left in him.
Boom, what impact. Oh, clothesline.
Oh, targeting the stomach. The slam. Ooh, it's perfect.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Godfather has him up.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
And Godfather might have just secured the victory.
That'll hurt. DDT. What a strike.
Dodges trouble there.
You got that right, Michael. That had elimination written all over it.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Backbreaker.
That'll realign your vertebrae.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
DDT.
And he's a guy that can flip a switch and turn it on like this.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Uh-oh. Going for the roll.
Oh, man, a mastodon-sized choke slam.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Vader struggling some here.
He came into this match expecting a fight.
There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
Harsh impact. And Mr. Perfect evades that one.
Mr. Perfect, he's looking for it, Corey.
This isn't just great.
It's perfect.
But can he follow up here?
DDT!
It's obvious right now that Andre the Giant is feeling the abuse that has been dealt out in this match so far. I don't recall the last time he looked so fatigued.
It's not going to take much to get him over the top rope at this point. Heck, a gentle breeze might even do the trick.
What about now? Andre needs all of that power that he used to crush opponents all over the world.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Vader better not get too cocky or he'll pay for it later. Nailed it.
Clothesline.
And look at the quickness by Bam Bam Bigelow.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done. Oh boy, he is rolling. He's feeling it, and Andre's scary as all get out when he's rolling like this.
Vicious strike. What a strike. He gets him with a reversal. Oh, no, what a slam. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, man, what a strike. Ring rattling. Boom. There he goes.
Mr. Perfect
Big elimination
has
right
been
there.
eliminated.
Shoving them away. He's left wide open here.
I don't think he even realizes it. He looks
This
dazed.
is about to get bad.
He's never lacked for energy. A man...
Bigelow is out. Hopefully Bam Bam Bigelow can recover.
Suplex.
Uh-oh.
Not the fall that hurts, it's the sudden stop at the end.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Look at this.
Oh!
What a clothesline! Ouch!
And he's a guy that can flip a switch and turn it on like this.
Clothesline!
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
Harsh impact.
And Vader says, not this time.
Looking a little out of it, up on that turnbuckle.
Oh, this could very well be the beginning of the end. Focused attack on the back.
Remember, both feet must touch the floor once in order to...
Vader has been eliminated.
Dodges a bullet there.
Bam Bam Bigelow has been
Final elimination. And that's all she wrote. Well, this is one matchup that lived up to its billing, and then some.
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell. These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got
Here
their
is your
money's
winner,
worth from the opening
the
bell.
eighth wonder of the world, Andre the Giant.
Big win here in this elimination-style match.
If that's the type of action we're going to get all night long, I can't wait to see the rest of the card unfold.
203 pounds, Hulk Hogan.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
And his opponent, first, from Honolulu, Hawaii, weighing in at 234 pounds, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
A man who has always carried integrity and passion as a badge of honor. No doubt one of the greats in the history of sports entertainment.
And from New York, weighing in at 216 pounds, that attitude, Bill Valeska.
Sounds to me, guys, like this crowd is ready to get this night started.
They're not the only ones, Cole. It seems to me that these superstars want nothing more than to get their hands on one another.
And from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 244 pounds, Doink Z Clown.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
And from Austin, Texas, weighing in at 270 pounds, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes.
The Bull of the Woods has arrived. Few Superstars throughout history have left such a magnificent footprint on our industry like Dusty Rhodes has.
Yeah, one of the most knowledgeable, one of the most charismatic personalities to ever be part of our industry. Anyone who has ever come across Dusty Rhodes has walked away better.
The beast from the east has arrived.
From Asbury Park, New Jersey, weighing in at 393 pounds, Bam Bam Bigelow.
Bam Bam Bigelow's here, and I'll tell you, one of my favorite moments of all time in sports entertainment, the night of 1998, when he slammed Taz right through the ring.
I heard that Bam Bam Bigelow actually gave DDP the idea for DDP Yoga.
That's inaccurate, as usual.
Boom! There's the bell, and the behemoth known as Bam Bam Bigelow clocks in.
Nailed it.
Ooh! You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp!
Good grief.
Drop kick!
Oh, great height.
Oh, this might be it!
Oh, my.
Now back to the ring. He wants no part of the outside.
Boom, what impact! Oh, clothesline! Wow, elbow! What a clothesline! Ouch!
Oh, nasty impact.
Back suplex!
Very nice.
Incoming!
This is unreal strength.
Clothesline!
Ricky the Dragon Steamboat feeling the heat now.
But he's not appearing too worse for wear. At least not yet, anyway.
You seem more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
Ooh, right to the back.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Clothesline!
Oof. Beautiful technique.
Ooh, what impact! Bam Bam Bigelow may have it. What a stomp! Good
Grief. Looking closely here, it doesn't seem to me like this superstar is favoring that injured area.
How'd he do that?
I don't know, Michael, but good thing. I don't think he could have taken much more of that.
Gotta be careful not to get disqualified.
He's got the shoulders down. That was nowhere near a 3 count.
Too soon.
vertical suplex.
Nice.
Oh, bell clap.
What a strike.
Inside the ring now. Piggybacking off Byron's earlier statement, the medical staff is categorizing the injury as minor, so it should come as no surprise that there appear to be no ill effects during this match.
Doesn't matter if the injury is minor, major, or anything in between. There was no stopping this superstar from stepping in the ring here tonight, and that's a fact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Vicious strike.
Boom. Skull boy.
Big elbow. Vicious attack.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, this hurts. Oh, Michinoku driver.
Absolutely planted.
This is it.
DDT. Here's his moment, Michael.
He's going for the pin. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Harsh impact. He's starting to show signs of fatigue. At this point, it's all about how he responds and potentially rebounds.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Powerbomb. Look out. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how long his stamina can hold here.
Boom, what impact.
Back in the ring. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet.
You gotta believe this one's over. Very difficult position to be in right now. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Sleeper hold applied.
But is it enough to end it?
Eludes that one. countered.
Wow, that was impressive, Michael.
Ooh, what impact.
I can't believe it, Michael.
Bam Bam Bigelow is fired up. We may be looking at a power bomb here.
That's exactly what it looks like to me, Cole.
Gonna destroy your face.
Oh, nasty impact.
He lets it go.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Beautiful technique.
Here we go. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat is in position.
Look at Steamboat with a diving brain chop. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Takes him down in a major way, too.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Ooh, that'll mess up your shoulder. When this guy's on, look out.
Slam down hard.
Looking for a repeat.
DDT. Bigelow is out. Hopefully Bam Bam Bigelow can recover.
Here we go. Back inside the ring. Back elbow. Look at Ricky the Dragon Steamboat making his moves. Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that?
Boom! Bionic elbow. That's what he was looking for, like a pin attempt. Massive atomic drop. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. What a stomp. Good. Whoa.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He wants no part of the outside.
Attack to the midsection.
Oh, what a slam. A bit of a show of strength here.
Yeah, I don't care how strong you are. It's not easy to walk around carrying another superstar. Slammed with authority.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
And look at the quickness by Bam Bam Bigelow.
And look at from.
Oof.
Back now inside the ring.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Showing off some of his speed there. What a strike. Harsh impact. Wisely bringing the action back into the ring. Oh, what impact. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Nailed it.
Back in the ring now. Lariat. Incoming.
And look at the quickness. Ooh, what impact. Oh, man, this has been a nightmare for the American Dream.
Oh, nasty impact. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
He's got him covered. Bullseye!
Set it up. Nice neck breaker.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Greetings from Asbury Park.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
That slam just brought this entire arena to its feet.
Face buster.
Man, that was vicious. And Ricky Steamboat too quick that time.
Absolutely sudden.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And now one more time.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Gotta wonder how this is gonna end, Byron.
Whatever happens, it's not gonna be good. I can tell you that.
Beautiful technique.
Now just measuring him. The end may be near, folks. He started this match in great health, but now it seems fatigue has...
Somehow he breaks it.
He may have broken free, Cole, but I assure you the damage has already been done.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Clothesline!
You gotta believe this one's over. Ooh!
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. Beautiful technique.
Harsh impact.
Nailed it.
What a strike. Oh, the reversal by Bam Bam Bigelow. Oh, the dreaded claw to the...
Look out!
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
Dodges that one. Bam Bam Bigelow with a nice reversal. Ooh, what impact. Back in from the floor. Ooh. Back body drop.
You see the height on that?
No, reverses it.
This might be it!
Oh my.
Oh, the reversal by Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Power bomb! Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Oof! Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Dusty Rhodes just too fast for him.
Oh, man, that hurt.
Oh, it's locked in.
Boom, right in the button. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how long his stamina can hold here.
What a clothesline! Ouch! What a stomp!
Good grief.
Nailed it.
Just when you thought he had nothing left, things look dire for Dusty Rhodes.
Great move by him right there.
Yeah, let's see that one again.
There may be no stopping him. Toss to the outside. Boom, what impact!
Big slam.
Here's his moment, Michael. Did you see the impact on that? Wow.
On, he dodges out of the way. Here we go. Is he done?
Drop kick with precision.
He's going for it all. Attacking the knee. When this guy's on, look out. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Ooh, that kick could be a game changer.
Showing some quickness there.
Dusty Rhodes just too fast for him.
And Ricky the Dragon Steamboat reverses it.
Beautiful technique.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
And the slam.
Draped down the apron. Bang! Escapes trouble there.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Got the reversal.
Wow, I thought he was a goner. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Harsh impact. What's he gonna do with it? Ooh, what impact. Oh, going to the top. High risk. Here we go. Bam Bam Bigelow setting it.
Oh, this is not...
Will it be?
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Big time takedown right there.
This might just be it for him. Ooh, right to the face.
What a comeback. Looks like the second time's gonna be the charm here.
Oh, clothesline. Nino, man, that hurts. He might have it.
Axe handle finds the mark.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Oh, no. Inverted atomic drop.
When this guy's on, look out.
Slam down hard. Oh, nasty impact.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
The bionic elbow from the Dream.
Emphatic, if you will.
Nothing common about that move, Cole. Okay, this time has to do it.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Look at this. Boom. Oh, my goodness, crushing it.
Oh, boy.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Can he finish him off here?
What a stomp. Good grief. Setting him up. Impactful slam.
This one's over, guys.
Oh, this is dangerous right here. Hoping to end it here.
This is it.
1, 2. Dusty Rhodes has him in his sights. And he's heading back in. Woo-wee. Ooh, what impact. Lariat knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nope, reverses it.
Jarring impact. Couple of jabs. Gonna follow it up with a big right.
Game, set, match. This one.
Scoop slam.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. That'll knock you silly, that's for sure.
Boom! Bionic elbow. That's what he was looking for, Mike, going for the cover.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy, putting it all on the line.
Oh, no.
No, he reverses it.
The bionic elbow from the Dream.
Emphatic, if you will.
That should do it.
Oh, that might...
Will it be? Oh, he's got him here. Oh! Drop kick. And that one grounds him.
I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
Got the arm. Oh, my goodness, crushing it.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Beautiful technique.
Sidewalk slam.
Almost drove him through the ring.
Oh, what incredible power. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. You have to wonder what's going to happen next.
Well, whatever it is, it's going to hurt. I can tell you that.
It'll destroy your face.
There may be no escaping this fireman's carry.
I don't know. Never say never, Cole.
Are you kidding me?
Bam Bam coming up huge there.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, man! Ouch! Ooh!
Across the shoulders. Up and
Clothesline! Oh, what a clothesline!
forcefully delivered.
Harsh! He's gone for the pin! This could be it! Into the pay window! He's got to be running on empty at this point.
How'd he do that?
Oh, the reversal by Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. What a clothesline! Ouch! This might be it!
Oh, my.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no counters.
Oh, nasty impact. Big opportunity for the Dragon here, guys.
And the odds just swung in Ricky Steamboat's favor.
Nailed it.
Down, glam slam.
Free fall. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
He wants no part of the outside. Boom, what impact. Keep your eye on this one. Whoa! Here he goes.
Bigelow in.
His shoulders are down. Bringing it back into the ring. Face first off the barricade.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Just when you thought he had nothing left.
I think that one will finally do the trick, guys.
Wicked clothesline. Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
This might be it. Oh, my. Boom, what impact. Looking to lock it in here. Is he done? Going for something else, it seems. You gotta believe this one's over.
I knew it was over.
Right in the face.
Destroyed.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Beautiful technique. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
No, he releases the hold.
What in the world is he thinking? Does he not want to win?
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, you are definitely right, Michael. But you also have to remember how much energy it drains to pull off.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. When this guy's on, look out. Ooh, what impact. Oof. Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Overhand right lands.
Military press. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it.
Some might say that it wasn't a wise move for this superstar to step inside the ring with an injury, but I don't know. It's not like it's a major injury or anything.
Oh, trying to dislocate the shoulder. Too quick for him there. He's out there in no man's land.
He's got to find a way to get to safety, Cole.
I'm not sure he can.
Harsh impact. Here's the Dragon. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Sleeper hold applied. Bigelow is out.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Elbow drop with authority.
Talk about dismantling your opponent. Ooh, nasty impact.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. Ooh. Incredible impact. This could be all she wrote. Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
And it's reversed.
Great agility.
He's looking banged up here, guys.
And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
Suplex. And if he hits this, this one's over.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, man, this has been a nightmare for the American Dream.
DDT!
This one's over, guys.
Let's look at the replay.
Nice move right there.
Not today. He wants no part of the outside. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's got him down. This is it. 2. Set him up.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how long his stamina can hold here.
Here's the Dragon. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Sleeper hold applied.
Big opportunity for the Dragon here, guys.
Nailed it.
Ooh-wee. Back suplex.
Ooh. Very nice.
We got a cover.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
This might be it.
Oh my, it might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Good luck stopping Bam Bam when he's rolling like this.
In the face. Oh man, incredible impact.
Here comes the setup. Military press. These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
Really working over the body. Across the shoulders. Up, down. Samoan driver.
That has got to be it.
Corey, check this out.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
That should do it right there. Broken up, and the match continues.
That's teamwork.
Bam Bam Bigelow is looking to fly.
Sit out, Jawbreaker.
You can pick it. Look at this.
He can turn up the heat at will, it seems.
Dusty,
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Couple of jabs.
gonna follow up with a big right. I like the combination punch, but he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
That is exactly what Dusty Rhodes needed.
You gotta believe this one's over.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin. Oh, nasty impact.
He's got him here. He's got him up. And ooh, what impact. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oof.
Boom. What a stomp. Good grief. Hart. He goes for the cover.
Beautiful technique.
And he got a near fall out of it. Just barely, but it counts. He will caught him with a big boot.
On the mark. But can he follow up here?
Loving it. Greetings from Asbury Park.
This one is over.
What a slam. Impactful. Will jar your spine. Oh, what impact.
Ricky Steamboat may have it.
Is he done? Ooh. He breaks it. I can't believe it.
I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I'm with you, Cole. So unbelievable that he broke out of that.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
Oh, he can't withstand one bit more.
He's looking at it. Dragon with a crossbody.
Big opportunity for the Dragon here, guys.
Putting it all on the line. Oh, continuing. Look out. He's going for it all. Look at this.
Missile drop kick finds its mark.
Oh, he's able to reverse it. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what impact. Reverses that one. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh, and the rolling neck snap.
Somebody unleashed a vicious dragon out there.
Big time slam. Vicious.
That has got to be it.
Let's see that again.
Definitely worth a second look.
Goes down hard. We've got to cover. 1, 2. True testament to grit.
Too soon.
Going all the way up.
Dusty Rhodes just too fast for him.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, and it's a reversal. Greetings from Asbury Park.
Bam Bam coming up here.
Ring rattling.
That's how you put an exclamation point on a match.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Whack!
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Boom! Incoming. This might be it. Oh, my. Harsh impact. Not so fast.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Not today. Oh, this is dangerous right here. Here we go. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat is in position. Now just measuring him. Spinning kick to the gut. Ooh, what a jawbreaker.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
You gotta believe this one's over. Definitely not where you want to be right now.
Gotta find a way to get out of this, Michael.
Nailed it. Avoids trouble there.
Yeah, that could have been very ugly, Cole.
Down to the floor. Backbreaker. Drop kick. Beautiful. He's got the shoulders down. 2. Lariat. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
And Ricky Steamboat too quick that time.
Absolutely sudden. Boom, nasty impact. Boom, bionic elbow. Nothing common about that move, Cole. This is Dusty Rhodes' chance.
Ooh, what impact. Ooh. And Ricky the Dragon Steamboat reverses it.
Talk about rocking the jaw.
Power slam.
Here we go. Start the count.
Vertical suplex.
Nice.
This is going to be big, one way or another. Here we go. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat is in position.
Powerbomb.
Oh, that was a long way down.
Incoming.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Across the shoulders. Thunderous slam.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Oh, he got him.
Let's look at this again.
Shoulders down. 1, 2. Barely at 2.5.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Point of the elbow. Nailed it.
Ooh, nasty impact.
Bam Bam Bigelow is going up. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like the... Look at this.
Big headbutt. This one's up.
And the cover for the win.
This is it.
Oh, damage to the body. Harsh impact. And he's heading back in. And he breaks up the count.
Set it up.
Long distance drop.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Belly to back suplex.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
And somehow he makes it to the ropes.
Regardless, Michael, he still seems to be in a bad way right now.
On to the back of the neck. When this guy's on, look out.
smash.
Oh! Right to the back. This could end it in a hurry.
He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Chop block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee. Oh, knee to the face.
That's gonna hurt.
Dropped. And that was a hard shot, Corey.
Yeah, you might want to think about throwing in the towel at this point.
Clothesline. Scoop slam.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Can Steamboat pull through?
Gut wrench suplex.
Making it look easy.
What impact.
Bam Bam Bigelow is the...
He can end it here. He's got him. He's bringing it back inside the ring now, and he got a near fall out of it.
How'd he do that?
Headbutt to the... Oh, atomic drop.
What a chancery.
Woo-wee.
He gets him with a reversal. Just carrying the opposition here.
But you can't carry your opponent all day. You gotta make a move eventually.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Tough situation to be in right here.
Yeah, and you have to think this is not gonna end well.
Unceremoniously deposited down.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, the reversal by Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Wait a minute. Setting him up for something here.
And whatever it is, it's gonna hurt, and it's going to hurt bad.
Oh! Arm drag. Oh, clothesline. Back in from the floor. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Now back to the ring. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Bam Bam Bigelow is going up.
Thunderous powers.
Looking for the exclamation point. Shoulder tackle.
Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
He's going for it all. He's not going to let up.
A barrage of strikes.
Endless.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Got it.
Steamboat from the top.
Diving cross body.
Big opportunity for the...
Here's a cover. Could be it. Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Oof. Beautiful technique.
Oh no, we know what this is.
I don't think he's got it completely locked in.
Bam Bam Bigelow is looking to fly.
Man, what a slam.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Look out!
And look at the quickness by Bam Bam Bigelow.
Bam Bam Bigelow being pressed hard.
Crashing down the hard way.
He's in full control now. Big move coming. Oh, what a slam. That hurt.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Nope, reverses it. What's he got in mind? Cobra clutch.
Up and down.
Backbreaker. Looking to lock it in here.
This just ain't gonna do it.
Oh, and he connects.
There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Dusty Rhodes has him in his sights. Goodness, that hurt the shoulder.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Big boot.
Incredible. He can turn up the heat at will, it seems.
A long way down. Uh-oh. Steamboat showing signs that he might not make it through this match.
Here he goes. Oh, what a right. And leg drop.
This is not how the Dragon saw things playing out.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
And he's taking taken down with authority.
I think I felt the ground shake on that one.
He's definitely turned it up at an opportune time.
Bam Bam face to face. And he's going to go for it. Greetings from Asbury Park.
Bam Bam coming up huge there.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Lariat.
And the DDT.
Oh my God, a clothesline. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
He might have it. Oh, lights out. DDT connects.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
That should do it, Cole. There's no coming back from a slam of that magnitude.
Slam!
Powerbomb planted.
Bam Bam Bigelow is going up. Now he's working that exploit.
Look at this.
Oh, he's able to reverse it. He's looking at it.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how long his stamina can hold here.
Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Sleeper hold applied.
Wow, what a gritty performance. That is exactly what Ricky the Dragon Steamboat needed.
Up and
Effectively using the knee.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage. Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
The cover.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
3. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat looking a bit uneasy here. And at this point, how much more does he have to give?
your favorite, Cole.
Showing off some of his speed there.
Suplex.
Oh, going to the top. High risk.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Looking for the finish.
If he sticks this, he is done.
Whoa.
One, two, three. The cover, and this one's history. What a win. Here's a few clips from the last match for us.
That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance.
Here is your winner, Bad Attitude, Bill Valeska.
Wow, huge pinfall win here tonight.
And if that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
That's one of those personal WrestleMania moments and memories that will last a life.
Introducing first, from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, Hulk Hogan.
Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Making his way to the ring at a combined weight of 847 pounds, Kevin Nash, Macho Man Randy Savage, and Scott Hall.
Boy, I can't think of a better way to kick off this night.
I don't know. Part of me hoped Saxton would have got lost on the way to the announce table. That definitely would have made things better. But no such luck.
What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
Here comes the Hitman.
And his partner, from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing in at 235 pounds, Bret the Hitman Hart.
I gotta say, guys, it is an absolute honor to be here ringside to call a match featuring the excellence of execution.
How funny it is to hear you change your tune, Saxton. You've been complaining about the Hitman's attitude recently, and I think it's ridiculous. The only thing you've ever excelled at is being subpar.
I have the utmost respect for Bret Hart, but I don't appreciate the fact that he seems to not believe that people still respect him the way they have over the last 10 years.
And from Warsaw, Poland, weighing in at 219 pounds, the ECW World Heavyweight Champion and one half of the Raw Tag Team Champion, Rob Van Dam.
You think you know me?
Guys, we're getting the night started with an amazing matchup here.
You're absolutely right, Cole. In fact, I don't think there's a better way to start this night than with this match right here. Here we go, fellas. I've been looking forward to this one for quite some time.
Power bomb! Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Nailed it. Drop kick hits the mark.
Yanked him right off the apron.
Oh, no.
Ooh, what impact.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Big time slam. Vicious. Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's on the defensive here. Don't be surprised if he shrugs it off and comes back more motivated than ever.
You never want to count a competitor out, but things don't seem to be going in his favor here tonight.
Brutal knee right to the face.
And here we go now.
So many of the early WrestleManias were defined by the spectacle of historic moments and epic matches. At WrestleMania 8, Randy Savage became the WWE Champion for the second time in his career when he defeated the Nature Boy Ric Flair.
He might have it.
In complete control.
Oh, it's over.
He's got him covered.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Incredible resiliency from the Macho Man.
The rivalry between Randy Savage and Nature Boy Ric Flair stemmed from unfounded claims that Flair had a relationship with Savage's wife, Miss Elizabeth. From there, it got worse when Flair and his cohorts Bobby the Brain Heenan and Mr. Perfect taunted the beloved couple.
At one point, it seemed like Savage and Flair were going to fight all over the RCA Dome. Even after the Macho Man won, he attacked a bloodied Flair. The Savage versus Flair saga continued in WWE, went to WCW, even went to Japan.
Breakneck speed, what a hurricanrana.
Seems like Randy Savage is starting to fade.
He looks incredibly motivated, though. Don't expect him to be down for long.
By the looks of things, I don't think he expected his opponent to be as motivated as he clearly is here tonight.
Hurricanrana.
Back now inside the ring.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
What a strike, right on the mark.
Talk about having the living hell beat out of you. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
He's clearly outmatched outside the ring, guys. If he's smart, he finds a way to keep the action within the ropes from here on out.
Oh, come on. Just put him out of his misery already. This is getting ridiculous.
Face first. Gosh.
Beautiful technique.
Running out of time here.
Oh, come on. Get in there.
Hooked up.
Delivering the shin breaker.
savant kick.
Got him up.
Massive atomic drop.
Got the up.
Nailed it.
And now it's Macho Man losing some steam. You can bet this is not how he drew this one up.
He's not looking like himself right now, and I hate to say it, but this might be the beginning of the end for him here.
He caught him slipping.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, a flying forearm.
On the mark.
Randy Savage with a nice reversal. He's starting to stagger a bit, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
And he's heading back in. The referee goes down hard.
What a whim.
Going for the big one. Oh, what a combo.
That should end Macho Man's night.
Oh my God, a clothesline. His shoulders are down. He stops the count.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
Toss to the outside.
Lightning incoming. Oklahoma slam.
Randy Savage just too fast for him.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Not where Scott Hall wants to be right now. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
His partner's practically begging to get in the ring.
He better be careful what he's wishing for.
And Kevin Nash is just toying with his opponent now.
Oh, I hate to see it end like this.
And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
Overall, this match was average at best. But not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already. Some pretty good give and take in this match, as these highlights show. These fans got their money's worth in this one, as you can see right here.
Here are your winners, Hulk Hogan, Kevin Nash, Macho Man Randy Savage, and Scott Hall, the NWO.
Big win here to start the show.
Hey, rules are rules. You got to pay attention to the 10 count or you're going to lose. It's that simple.
Something told me we might hear from him.
You know this guy came prepared.
This could honestly be about a few things. Let's find out.
A fan favorite, showing the proper respect.
Definitely a fan favorite.
The fans are eating it up.
Definitely a fan favorite.
I don't think you can be any more clear than that.
I can't believe what we just saw.
The WWE Universe is behind that statement, no doubt. Now that wait is over, it's time for the WrestleMania main event. Don't change that dial. Oh my Lord!
Making his way to the ring from Grenoble, France, weighing in at 520 pounds, the eighth wonder of the world, Andre the Giant!
What an unbelievable presence! The eighth wonder of the world truly is a sight to behold.
Andre's legacy is so huge and so memorable here in WWE. He even had a battle royal named after him. The Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal.
From Braun Strowman to the Big Show to the Great Khali, none of them quite possess the aura of Andre the Giant.
He's here! Nate!
And from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 245 pounds, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair!
Corey, can you imagine hanging out with Flair?
Absolutely, I've imagined it. That's probably all I'll ever get to do. A lifestyle I can only dream of. That's what it's like when you're running with the Four Horsemen. To be the man, you've got to beat the man. And ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at the man. Byron Saxton, what's causing all this?
And from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, Hulk Hogan!
Guys, this one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. Though in this case, I think we're safe.
He's back! It's cooking.
And from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
One of the all-time greats! The Brahma Bull, the People's Champ, the most electrifying man in entertainment. The Rock is here, and this place is rocking.
A man who has spearheaded one of the most memorable eras of WWE, taken over Hollywood, and served as a prototype for what it is to be a superstar.
It's okay, Byron. You're not the only one in awe of The Rock's presence.
The Rock has an aura like no one.
Feel the power!
And from parts unknown, weighing in at 275 pounds, the Ultimate Warrior!
This is incredible! What an atmosphere!
How does the Warrior not tire himself out running around like this?
Who cares? Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy the Ultimate Warrior.
Things are absolutely perfect.
And from Robbinsdale, Minnesota, weighing in at 257 pounds, Mr. Perfect!
A flawless technician, everything executed in the ring in textbook style.
Byron, I believe the word you are looking for is not flawless, it's not textbook, it's perfect.
One of the all-time greats.
Cole, some people spend their entire lives striving for greatness. Mr. Perfect just obtained greatness naturally.
When you think Attitude Era, you think Stone Cold.
And from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin!
Hey, Stone Cold Steve Austin does what he wants, when he wants, and guys, it's paid off for him. I'd be making sure I didn't get on the bad side of Stone Cold. Man, he doesn't look too happy right now.
I talked to Stone Cold backstage earlier today. He despises you, Saxton.
Is that true?
You know what? Why don't you guys call this one? I'm going to go back and throw some Steve Weisers on ice so that when Austin's done, we can celebrate proper.
Can you grab me a water when you're back there?
I can't believe he's here! On a mission of justice!
And their opponent, from every man's nightmare, weighing in at 259 pounds, the man called Sting!
When a man's heart is full of deceit, it dies and a dark shadow falls over his soul. This is Sting. From the rafters to the ring, there is only one. No, there are actually two, Byron. There's only one in our business.
The vigilante justice of Sting has come to WWE. You gotta believe this one's over.
You know, guys, no matter how huge of a global star The Rock becomes, he'll always have a home in WWE where his origins began.
There will never be another like the Great One. Got the shoulders down. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.
And here's another look at what made that match so special.
Here is your winner, and the new WWE Champion, the man called Sting!
Clothesline!
Big backdrop. Oh, nasty impact.
What a clothesline! Ouch! Oh, what a drop kick. On the mark. What a strike. In the face. Down to the floor. Oh, clothesline. A striking blow. In the face. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Ooh, what impact. Harsh impact. The Rock may be in a bad way here. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
Well, this certainly escalated in a hurry. I don't think any of us expected to see him fall behind so quickly.
Boom, what impact. Oh, God, that hurt. What a strike.
Call me crazy, but this might be one of those rare instances where the champion actually enters the match as the underdog. I know it sounds odd, but it really seems like the champ is up against a headwind here.
Bringing it back into the ring. Back in the ring again. Scaling the turnbuckle. Ultimate Warrior. Look at this.
Hey, you're going to get yourself disqualified.
Thunderous slam. Austin not in a good place right now.
You're not crazy, Byron. The champ certainly has an uphill battle here, and while it's rare, we have seen the challenger head into the match as the heavy favorite. Bruno Sammartino challenging Stan Stasiak in 1973 immediately comes to mind, as does Diesel squaring off against Bob Backlund in 1994.
Wait, did you really just say that Saxton is not crazy, Cole? Man, just when I started to think you might be all right, you go and say something ridiculous like that.
A lot of... Look out. Andre the Giant is measuring. And he releases the hold.
I don't think he had it fully locked in.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Looking to lock it in here.
There's no way he's giving up now.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
As Byron was talking earlier about the champ being a heavy favorite here tonight, I couldn't help.
Here he goes. Harsh impact. This is all but over.
Sting got the worst end of that stick.
Ooh, no one. He's looking at it. Ooh.
He's struggling a bit here. If he's not careful, this can snowball out.
There's a pin now. And he breaks up the pinfall.
The figure four leg.
This might be the opportunity he needed.
This is a huge opportunity for Ric Flair.
When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
Wow, Andre the Giant just timed that perfectly.
And Austin, Luthez press. Luthez press.
Look at him go! I'm not sure how much he has left.
How strong. What a press.
Yeah, and he seems to have an endless supply of energy.
Avoids trouble there.
Oh, the referee better get a hold of things. Vicious strike.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Clothesline! Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
Oh, my.
With a pile driver.
He might have just ended this. Let's hope, for his sake, that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall order.
Ultimate Warrior is looking to end it.
Boom, what impact.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Looks like Ric Flair is fading here.
Guys, he's going to have...
Stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
Here's his chance to win this.
Oof. To the ropes, and the ref sees it.
Get in there, ref.
Neck breaker!
Inverted suplex.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
What a nasty, nasty move.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Whoa, distance there.
Not sure how much more Rock can take.
It just doesn't seem to be his night tonight, guys.
He's in tough shape, guys, and there's absolutely no room for error now.
Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
It appears Andre the Giant is starting to hit the wall.
I never thought I'd see this.
This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape. Right about now, Andre needs all of that power that he used to crush opponents all over the world.
You gotta believe this one's over. What a clothesline. Ouch. Back between the ropes.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Stinging with a scorpion death drop.
And there it is, boys. Big punch finds its mark.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Yeah, he's one of the most energetic performers in WWE history.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Let's hope, for his sake, that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall order.
What power.
Shin breaker. We've seen this before. Going for something else, it seems.
I suspect he knows something that we don't, Cole. Why else would he just let him out of that hole?
Oh, no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No! Looks like Andre's...
Warrior might need a minor miracle to get back into this one. Nobody can sustain a drop like that, Michael. When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Ultimate Warrior gets out of trouble quickly.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Oh, clothesline. Nailed it. And that one grounds him. I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
He wants no part of the outside.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and he reverses it.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle.
Whoa! When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
Ooh, what impact.
Beautiful technique.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one. And here's Jason Jordan. Stunner!
one is over.
Great move by him right there.
Yeah, let's see that one again.
Devastating. He goes for the cover. One.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. He's summoning his strength from the heavens. Feel the power of the one and the only ultimate, the figure four.
The Rock's not looking so great here, guys. Oh, it's going to be hard for The Rock to come back now.
He's got him in trouble up on the top rope. Oh, arm drag.
Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
Counter here.
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Stinging every...
And he goes for the pin.
Tear the features clean off your face.
Ric Flair going to have to act quickly here to stay in this.
You have to wonder how much longer he can go on like this. The Rock turns it around.
Wow, I thought he was a goner. The Ultimate Warrior just too fast for him.
Oh, this is dangerous right here.
When this guy's on, look out.
Look out! Oh, what a kick!
Nasty impact.
He's got him here. He's got him on the sidewalk. Slam!
Almost drove him through the ring.
Looking to lock it in here.
I don't think he's got it completely locked in.
No, he releases the... Ooh, what impact.
The Rock's not looking so great here, guys. Oh, it's going to be hard for The Rock to come back now.
He's too quick for him there.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Bam! What a slam.
Slammed with authority.
Up in the fireman's carry position now.
And not only is the landing tough, Cole, but it's also dizzying.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
You gotta believe he's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Let's hope, for his sake, that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall order. Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
And there's his speed paying off.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Incoming! And Mr. Perfect evades that one. He's feeling it, and Andre's scary as all get out when he's rolling like this.
Beautiful technique.
Back in the ring now. Austin sets it up.
Stone Cold Stunner!
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
What a slam!
Impactful, will jar your spine. But can he follow up here?
Oh boy, he is.
Shoulders on the mat.
Bulldog.
And that one drops him.
Somebody's on a mission tonight. Nailed it.
Toss to the outside. Neck breaker. High-risk maneuver. Incoming from Austin. Inside the ring now. Look at this.
Atomic drop.
Ooh. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He might have it. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Hellacious power slam.
Oh, and he finds a way to escape.
Wow. Cole, I think this entire arena had written him off, myself included.
Incoming from Austin. And here comes no figure four leg.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Oh, and he releases the hold.
Wow. Part of me thought that was it, Cole.
Set it up. Oh, that's how you establish dominance.
he's one of the most energetic performers in WWE history.
He's making a statement here with this attack. This might be it.
Oh, my. The Ultimate Warrior just too fast for him.
Hooked up. Oh, shin breaker. When this guy's on, look out. Draped on the apron with the point of the elbow right in the nose.
Jeez.
I think this WWE Universe can smell what you're cooking, Rock. Lifts him up. What incredible power from the Warrior. The military press slam.
Here's his moment, Michael.
The figure four.
Can he finish him off here? This one might just do the trick. Yeah, but we'll see if it'll last.
Rock just barely got out of the way.
So quick.
Harsh impact. Boom. Perfectly executed. That's what he was looking for, Michael.
That's how you use your agility to end the match.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over until it's over.
Yeah, he's one of the most energetic performers in WWE history.
Oh, look at the knee just being torn apart now. Ultimate Warrior finds a way out. Mr. Perfect is in position. Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what impact. Big trouble for The Rock.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
This could mean trouble. He's looking at it.
Yeah, he's one of the...
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Boom, right in the button. Here we go. The Rock is in position.
Oh, nasty impact.
The Rock can play all sorts of mind games with his opponents.
Oh, brutal. Looks like trouble here, Byron.
I don't know. I guess that all depends on who you're rooting for.
Back now inside the ring.
Harsh impact. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. He's got him here. What a strike. Breaking the rules. Ooh. Oh, no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and it's a reversal. Beautiful technique.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Yeah, but we'll see if it'll last.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Draped down. Here he goes. He's looking at it. The stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner! But he's going for the pin. Keep your eye on this one. Snapmare.
Beautiful rolling neck snap.
Totally perfect.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Ooh-wee. Mr. Perfect's in trouble. Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Ooh, what impact. Mr. Perfect is not going to like this.
He's in big trouble. His shoulders are down. One. He's making a statement here with this attack. The People's Champ.
Are you ready for the most electrifying move in all of entertainment?
Lariat. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet. Oh, you're just asking to get disqualified.
Well, if you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
A quick reversal by Ric Flair. Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Steve Austin.
Stone Cold Stunner.
Here's Austin.
Here he goes for the win.
Gorilla press slam. But he's running on fumes here. All right. But I'm not so sure that's enough to put Austin away.
Definitely got it all that time.
And the instinct from the Giant on display. Oh, a shin breaker.
Try walking after that one.
No, he reverses it. What a strike.
If anyone has ever appeared unbeatable on mere sight alone, it's without a doubt Andre the Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, nasty impact.
Bad spot for him to be in here, guys.
He's got to do something to get back in this thing.
You gotta believe this one's over. And look at hung up on the second.
Get in there, ref. He's capable of great runs like this, no question. Well, nobody ever accused Ric Flair of being too reserved.
Andre the Giant is in position.
Is he done? Oh, look at that.
Here comes The Rock.
Oh, such a tough target. He might have it.
When this guy's on,
Look out. Boom, what impact. Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now. When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
Spine on the pine.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
The Rock just changed the...
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
This is not where you want to be. Andre is down and in serious, serious trouble.
It's perfect. Here's his moment. The military press slam.
What a comeback.
Oh, it's going to be hard for The Rock to come back now.
Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Wow, talk about knowing where you're at all times. Mr. Perfect is in position. Boom!
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He wants no part of the outside.
Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
Ric Flair wants to take a chance.
Look out.
Oh, an elbow drop.
Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
KO punch.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Harsh impact. Big boot. The Nature Boy is in a tough spot here.
Impressive, but you gotta be careful if you go to the well too often.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's playing with him now.
Woo-wee.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar known for salt ever does. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
He's bringing it back, and here's a cover.
Elbow drop. And one more time. Stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Ooh, what impact. Oof! The Russian leg sweep.
He's got the shoulders down. Here we go, back inside the ring.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
The figure four leg lock.
To borrow a line from you, Cole, that's vintage Ric Flair right there. That's it. Flair just ended this.
Oh my goodness, this hurts.
Spiked him. Looks like Andre's going to pick up the W here.
Oh, it's going to be hard for The Rock to come back now. Nature Boy is going all natural on him.
disrespectful shove there.
Takes him down in a major way, too.
Down with the Samoan drop.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. Pile driver. Uh-oh. What is Steve Austin going to do here? Bringing it back between the... Whoa! Incoming! Eludes that one.
What a bionic elbow.
Look at Sting making his moves.
And Sting slips out of harm's way. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Saved by the ropes.
Talk about being in the right place at the right time.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Down to the floor. Austin.
Stone Cold Stunner.
That should do it.
This is a tough spot to find yourself in, that's for sure.
But if anybody could break free from this, it's this superstar right here.
And what a reversal from Sting.
Oh, that'll break the hold.
Nice move, Cole. I did not see that coming.
Oh, nice belly to back.
That could be a game changer. He's feeling it, and Andre's...
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
And it's Andre the Giant getting out of that one. Bringing it back into the ring. Texas pile driver. Boom.
Military boom.
He's capable of great runs like this, no question.
We know what's coming here.
No! Perfect is in a bad spot here, guys.
Boom, what impact. Back in from the floor. How did they get away with that? That's not legal.
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Boom, right to the face. Oh, look at this amazing power.
Big move coming.
Wait for it. Here comes the Rock.
And he's heading back in. Here we go. Back in. No, it's not over yet.
Wow, part of me thought he was going to tap, Cole.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Oh, look at him. Scoop slam.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Oh, man, Mr. Perfect really needs to dig down deep. And Sting slips out of harm's way.
Oh, he turns it around.
Elbow drop. The Ultimate Warrior just too fast for him.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
And it's The Rock.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
He's going for the pin.
Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Nasty impact.
Momentum clearly in his...
Stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Oh, right to the body. That hurt. You gotta believe this one's over. Shoulders on the mat.
Showing off some of his speed there.
Back now inside the ring.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
He's never lacked for energy. A man that big, you can see why.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford to be horizontal at this point in the match, Cole.
Stinger with a scorpion death drop.
But I'm not so sure that's enough to put Austin away.
This is Sting's chance.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
And here's a cover.
Here comes The Rock.
When this guy's on, look out.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
The Nature Boy is going on natural on him.
Beautiful. Boom, right across the small of the back. Beautiful.
Mr. Perfect's looking to end it.
Rock just barely got out of the way.
Here he goes.
When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a scoop slam. Game, set, match. This one is over. Gorilla press slam. That's a no. Oh. This one's over, guys.
Back in from the floor, bringing it back between the ropes.
He's calling for it. Harsh impact.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Here? Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Too quick for him there.
Oh, shows no, and he finds a way free.
Wow, that was just pure determination, Cole.
Perhaps thinking about what to do.
Perfect is in a bad spot here, guys. My gosh!
Super-sized elbow drop. We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Oh, man, Mr. Perfect really needs to dig down deep.
He's capable of great runs like this, no question.
Devastating elbow.
Perfectly executed.
That's how you put an exclamation point on a match. Oh, that.
He thinks he has it.
Double axe handle smash.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Look at this.
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Rock just barely got out of the way.
So quick. Spine on the pine.
Now it's time to capitalize.
Oh, my.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
He's making a statement here with this. Caught him with a big boot.
On the mark. This one is over.
He gets it with a reversal.
Axe handle finds its target.
Ooh, what a jawbreaker. Double underhook suplex.
The Rock turns it around.
Ooh.
Uh-oh, position in. Measuring.
Drop.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know.
He's got him covered.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Andre the Giant can't be enjoying this.
This is going to be bad for Andre the Giant. The Nature Boy is going on natural on him. Oof.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
When Mr. Perfect is feeling it like this, nobody has a chance.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
You gotta believe this one's over. Well, he's got him here. He's got him
In the slam. Oh, my gosh.
Super-sized elbow drop.
Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take?
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Oh, what a slam.
Oh, man, the Ultimate Warrior is really feeling the pressure. Mr. Perfect's in trouble. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Beautiful rolling neck snap.
Totally perfect.
Pure perfection right there, Cole. Wow, that one packed even more punch than the last one.
He has such a wide array of offense from anywhere in the ring.
Avoids trouble there.
One.
Ooh, what impact.
Dropped him with a...
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
And it's The Rock with the reversal.
And no luck against Flair there.
Are you surprised?
Nature Boy is going on. That's, oh man, what a leg drop.
And Austin, Luthez press. Luthez press.
Look at him go.
That should do it.
Down they go.
Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
Backbreaker flawlessly executed. Dominating shoulder tackle. Let's hope for his sake that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall old stone cold stunner.
But can he follow up here? Well, if it didn't work the first several times.
What impact.
Not sure Ric Flair should be playing to the crowd right here, but try telling him now.
And the instinct from the Giant on display.
Oh, the arm's trapped.
Ring rattling. When Andre the Giant taunts you, you definitely know it. And Mr. Perfect evades that one. Mr. Perfect can talk trash and taunt with the best of them.
Swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
On, he dodges out of the way. Gets out of the way of that one.
Oh boy, he is rolling. And no luck against Flair there.
Are you surprised?
Nailed it. Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
Oh, come on. How can this be legal?
This can lead to a disqualification quick. And the instinct from the Giant on display. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He wants no part of the outside. With a point of the elbow right in the nose.
Jeez. Oh boy, he is rolling.
No, he reverses it.
Beautiful technique.
Here's the cover for the win. What a stomp.
Good grief.
What a knockout punch.
Oh, man. And Sting slips out of harm's way.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Ooh, he goes down hard. Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now. Let's hope for his sake that he can keep performing at this level. Perfect is in a bad spot here, guys.
He's capable of destroying your face.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
His shoulders are down. One. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. You gotta believe this one's over. Toss to the outside. What impact. He wants no part of the outside. The Rock is in, and he does! Sharpshooter time! Sharpshooter locked in for The Rock!
That has got to be it.
Elbow drop! Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. The figure four leg.
That might have done it, Cole.
He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end.
When this guy's on, look out.
And Steve Austin too quick that time.
The figure four.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Just in case you didn't see it the first few times.
Wow, Andre the Giant just timed that perfectly.
Big elbow.
Oh no, here we go. The Rock sees it. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
He might have it. Lifts him up. What incredible power from the Warrior. The military press slam.
Just when you thought the Ultimate Warrior had nothing left to give.
see Andre lose here? Things just went from bad to worse for Andre the Giant.
That was clever, Byron. Here's Austin's opportunity to win this thing.
Hey, look at this. This could do it. Sharp knee. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Yeah, but we'll see if it'll last.
Dodges that one. And Ric Flair reverses it. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Big slam.
This is what makes The Rock so fun to watch. This might be it. Oh my. Taking off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous. He's never lacked for energy. A man that big, you can see why.
The Rock has eyes to finish. The Rock with a rock bottom.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Oh, the dreaded claw to the shoulder. Man.
No! That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of
The Rock with a rock bottom.
This crowd never doubted the Rock.
He goes for the cover.
Let's hope, for his sake, that he can keep performing at this level. It's a tall order.
And now one more stunner. Stone Cold with a stunner.
That has got to be it.
Oh, it's going to be hard. He's going for the pin. 1, 2. Lifts him up. What incredible power from the Warrior. Looking to lock it in here.
This just ain't gonna do it. Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a strike. No, reverses it. Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides. Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Beautiful technique. This can't be legal.
Totally ruthless, but effective. Oh, nasty impact.
Harsh impact. I think we know what this is. Is he done? Russian leg sweep. And that does it. Sting captures the win. No doubt that was a match people will be telling their kids about for years to come. Here's another look.
That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. There's good, there's great, and then there's downright unbelievable WWE action. Ladies and gentlemen, you just got a taste of the unbelievable kind.
The man called Sting.
What a grueling match. It looked like anybody's match there toward the end.
There's few things more humiliating than tapping out to your opponent.
What a spectacular championship match it was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.